Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an iTunes Library.Itl cannot be read error on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Type in File Explorer. Best match to come back with File Explorer. Go ahead and just left click on that. You want to now go about left clicking on your local disk on your left side here, and then double click on your users folder. Double click on whatever your user account you're currently signed in or you're trying to resolve the issue with, and double click on it, and then select the music option. So double click on it, double click on iTunes, and you can notice our path up at the top of the screen here. You can see each folder we've gone under so far, and there should be something that says iTunes Library right here. You want to go ahead and right click on that and then select delete. Once you've done that, close out of here, open back up the Start menu, type in iTunes, or if you have a Start menu shortcut, if you want to open it up that way, that's fine. And that should pretty much be it, guys. So you will need to sync back up your library again. So deleting the file should not delete your music, videos, photos. But if you were having the issue with your iPhone connecting to your computer, now you should be able to go sync it without having that issue. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.